anything.
Yeah.
So as you come through, you hit obviously the general speed. There's a few guys that still use it as the shaft, but the problem with the flexible shaft is if you imagine coming into impact.
HG05WHJ. What are you doing, you stupid cretin? There's a lot of...
Just amazing.
Put the fucking window down. You need to fucking look where you're going. I've got that on camera and I'll be reporting you.
Through there faster than can be conducted through the material, you're going to get convection. So it's the same sort of thing inside the core of a planet. And
What's he doing? I don't know. In the wrong lane. Totally. Totally the wrong lane. Totally the wrong lane. Oh, baby. Baby.
Hi, I'm David Batenberg, the third. I'm on shitty driver entitlement.
Watch. And there goes a shitty driver in their shit heap of a car. Obviously, these are not in danger.
But it's crazy. Like, he had one hand on the... What the... Oh my god!
What happened, babe?
Oh my god, what is he doing? Babe!
Babe, what happened?
Oh, shit. I don't know.
Babe.
I got into an accident. Oh my god. Oh my god,
Where are
babe.
you?
I'm on the Bell Parkway. This guy just reversed into me. What the hell is going on?
Reversed into you?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, fuck, I'm shaking.
Oh my god. Babe.
Yeah.
Just stay there. Oh my god.
Fuck, oh my god.
Where on the Bell Parkway?
Oh, holy shit. You know, after that turn?
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh my
Babe,
god.
it's okay.
Alright, hold on. Hold on, okay? Fuck. What happened? Hold on, babe. Oh, fuck. Wait. I'm okay.
Call 911 and explain I'm gonna drive and come to you.
Okay, alright, bye. Sorry, it's hard to hear you. 1 second. Hello?
Yes, which direction are you going? Which direction are you heading?
Towards Long Island, like Clearview.
You said towards where?
Long Island? Yeah, 1 second.
Alright, I have exit 25B as the Lending Boulevard and the Bell Parkway.
Yeah. On the Bell Parkway.
Alright, hold on. And how many vehicles involved in the accident?
2.
Anybody trapped or injured?
I don't think so.
Alright, what's the color, make, and model of your vehicle?
Mine is a black Acura. And the car in front that hit me is a silver Honda.
What color is the Honda?
Silver.
Alright, are you and the other driver willing to exchange vehicle information?
Yes.
Okay, so since you guys are willing to exchange vehicle information, at this time, police response is not required. Police no longer respond to car accidents if it's only property damage. They only respond if there's injuries involved. But if the other driver refuses to give you his information, then we will send the police. But since you said that you guys are willing to, you guys just exchange vehicle information, and then you have to go onto the DMV website and fill out a motor accident report on the DMV website.
Okay.